Hi Ashley, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a student overview report that Bonnie needs to be able to scan in. So when you log into EdReady, you should be on this dashboard kind of landing page, and you'll see where it says AY19 WSU Tech Math Fundamentals Mastery for Move. I did change the name of that slightly just to be in alignment with what we're doing moving forward for the rest of the college. So anyway, you still have all of your data and all of your students and all of that. I just tweaked the name a little bit to just be more in line. So what you'll need to do is go to Reports. And then this is an overview of all of the students. And if you want a specific student, click on Student Data. And then it's going to pull up a name or a list of all of the students. And you can kind of see a snapshot of everybody. So what you would need to do is navigate to the student that you're needing and then click on the details for that student. And then you'll get their individual information. So you'll have their name. Here it'll say the name of their study path, which is the name of the test, Math Fundamentals Mastery. You'll see their current score, which is this particular student. It's a 77, so they've met that 75 threshold. And so I think this is all that Bonnie would need. I did show her kind of a snippet of this, and she said that, yes, that looks like everything that they would need. And then if you just go to print, it's going to have all of that information there, and you can save that as a PDF or print it and scan it or whatever you guys need to do on your end. So if you've got any questions about how to navigate and get that student detail, just let me know. Hopefully this will help.